All right. One of them there are going release a clash. We're gonna do it next week Sunday. Next week Monday. A clash with Squiddly Ranking and Super Cat in a Skateland 1984. Clash war.
You have
Gemini
to talk about
Killamanjaro.
it. You have to talk about that. You have to. What happened that night there?
Gemini versus Killamanjaro. Pan Killamanjaro have Early B, Super Cat, Danny Dread, Poddy Rhodes, Cleveland Cliff, Louis Lepke, Ranking Tire and some more of them. Pan Gemini Sound, you have Peter Metro, Yellow Man, Altanary, Shinehead, Johnny Ringo, me, Triller, E-commerce, sometimes the e-commerce fresh and a biddy biddy bang bang, biddy bang bang, biddy bang. Still e-commerce fresh. See? So when them dead in the dance are going on one thing now, Super Cat now. Take me on and time I just come back from England, you know, from tour, you know. Supposed to go up on tour, me and Ringo and Belton, you know, go to England on tour.
We're gonna get into that just now. We're gonna get into that, but I want this Jaro story, then we're gonna go back into
all right. Then Super Cat, boy Squiddly, a pirate, me, a pirate, this or a pirate, that I'm ready. Somebody say, all right, all of who want dead tonight, all of the DJ boy them want dead, you know, go over Killamanjaro, because me I kill everything over there. Me going to show them say me are the baddest DJ in Jamaica. All right, watch this now. Me dead now want Super Cat. Them put on, must see the answer rhythm or the diseases rhythm. A Super Cat DJ. One thing them harder, Squiddly, outer harder. Yeah man, I mean I tell you say, Super Cat, draw lyrics for me name. Harder, Squiddly, outer harder become a run when father, I me start sexy mother, I me give me old cougar, I me give me old beaver, I me give me regular dollar, Squiddly outer harder. And mash up your place. Get the forward. See? And him start DJ about my auntie and my granny and my Ray and my tail. Alright, cool, get him forward, done. So when Gemini start playback, pan the answer, I'm the pan. Lord of mercy, boy Super Cat. Me and the bad me and the hey boy Super Cat, tell you something. Say me yo, me and the Governor General, me and the Governor General. Hey boy Cat, don't kill your mother, me kill your father, me kill your sister, me kill your brother, me kill your auntie, me kill your niece. I don't know kill your nephew, shot the dog, shot the post, and then me turn shot the kitten, go shot in your face, out and then you keep on I saw me done. Say boy Super Cat, you think of that? You're going dead in here, dead. He like dog in other. Squiddly Ranking a bad man and me no cater. Me kill all type of boy from all over. Me kill boy from Jungle Tiffany and Rima, New York, England, Japan and China. Miss a Fing, Miss a Fong, Miss a Fang, Miss a Fa. Me back down police, me kick down soldier. Me kill Early B and Super Cat after. I saw you know say Squiddly Ranking attack murderer. Me and the bad. Yo, I saw me deal them wicked. Then I go back and say, Cat, this me no and think me gun seize up. You go and get gunshot in your knee cup. Bend up your face for me like Junior Demos. In your face a gunshot a going. Cat, from where the you are gonna let you a bad man. True you work with some bad man, chichi man. True you have Kid Ralph Jana sit down pan. You feel say you can't come this jungle man. You me attack the about cat man. The girl them say you name them like a Trenton. Pata them say you bite it like a bacon. Oh, him a Kid Ralph right and Kid walk him and duck him up at Skitland. I show him out of the dump out of Riverton. I use him bottom like it a safe up and I collect like money at Western Union. I show me now. She said, you don't want to go slack? Catch me there get interview now, I don't really want to go slack. But if I forgot wrong, get a raw thing, murder. I'm going to go back. I won't about him, DJ about him, you know. Me big, me bad, say and me work hard. Cause when me start DJ, me did coward. Super Cat, Mr. DJ, me angle him bad. Cause him mother have mentioned that year. You don't want to hear that part there.
Yeah.
But when you hear my release, the Killamanjaro and the Gemini clash, you can hear some dirty.
So you at that time here, so you're the ace DJ on Gemini at this time, and he's the ace DJ on Killamanjaro at that time there.
Yeah, him at the top DJ on Killamanjaro in my early beat, and me at the top DJ, me and Ringo at the top DJ on Gemini song. See, them time there, I will come back from England. And we have clash with Killamanjaro. Burro Bantan did left Jaro. Burro Bantan left Gemini. Because we got in England, I will go left him. But them time the Burro never have no name. Burro does a billion name pan Gemini. Because remember me they just employ him pan Gemini. So well then I Ringo them a DJ before me. Long before me, because me I go dance, go watch them. Because anytime I stop DJ, anytime I stop watch stop listen channel 1. They also end up now I listen Virgo and Stereophonic. And I listen Weltenary, Ringo, and General Echo. Me and Peter Metro. And them we start listening now. And I say, what? Yes, I still like Ringo DJ, the slap this them, and that's why me end up come be a slap DJ. You know, see it? And things. So when me the pan Gemini now, and then I go up on tour at Canada, then I come back, go to New York, go up on tour, go all over the place, go England, go back to England, go America, go Canada, go this, go some small island with Gemini soon and just did it.
Okay, and before you even get into that, I want to know, how did that Jaro Gemini dance finish? That's what I want to know.
All right. When it's done, the winning song I get $5,000. When me have Daily Super Cat, wicked. I'm it done. Me a DJ one lyrics name them no bad like me. Them no bad like me. Cause that's good. I'm calling my MC. Me the Ram dance. I'm the car party. A DJ full of person. Me double tonight. Represent a beat. What am I gonna relax? This video was not 7 brutality. Me still my fuck me bro me back. Because my me no feature. I'm cap on a buck on a cap on bottom. Me say chef like we and the place smash up. Me say jingles carry the money come. Cause jingles are carry Killamanjaro anyway. Super Cat, you know. It's when I start DJ and a beat cat. Jingles carry the money come in the room and say, yo, me lose off a Killamanjaro. Me lose off a cat them. See? Cause when me done, you know, and me done DJ that time, me done DJ and get a much. When you hear me a DJ, be a forward, me I get behind it, you know. Wait till you hear the cassette. Just wait till you hear the dance. Be a forward, me I get me by me a DJ, me I feel stop and start again, stop one again, stop and go on, and thing. Then Jingles say, no, all right, here what happen. See the $5,000, at them time the $5,000 enough money. $5,000 enough money, like $100,000 now. See? All right. When we get the $5,000 now, and thing now, I say, boy, Super Cat, this is say you're dead. Eh? You know, no lyrics are early be you get lyrics from them time the Super Cat now have no tune at all, no they are road feel. Hold on. I'm gonna tell you this way you never know. You didn't know say Super Cat. A ranking Trevor I'm idol.
Yes.
Remember Trevor ranking I'm like Indian, you know. I like Indian, you know. Super Cat patternized ranking Trevor. Them time the Super Cat named Cataract. You didn't know that?
Yes. Those times I think he was DJing Soul Imperial at that time.
Eh?
He was DJing Soul Imperial at that time when he just had that.
Soul Imperial from what St. Thomas. You're right. You're right. Soul Imperial and some from what St. Thomas or Bull Beer. The sound come from. Them time the Super Cat are coming a dance. Him have one boner over him back. Right? A boner over him back. Him have a head tie like an Indian. Him have 2 feathers in it. Them time they name Cataract. Because when me cuss that, him name Cataract. See? A long time me and him clash, about 5 times me and him clash, you know. See? And thing. And I say, boy, Cataract, and then him change him name to Super Cat.
Yeah.
You know, see? I think him change him name about 1 year after, but yet to him change him name to Super Cat. You know, see?
The song that you're talking about from St. Thomas is a song called King Majesty. That's the song that you're talking about. That's from St. Thomas. The one, Soul Imperial, I think that's from Cockburn Pen, like a whole heap of them used to DJ. But the St. Thomas song, yes, is King Majesty.
I think you're right. I think you're right. I think you're right.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.